Hello my dear PU champions, welcome back to our channel Deeksha Karnataka. I'm today back again with another question in your short question series. Today, how about let's get our 6 marks shorted in the boards, right? Yes, the question on linear programming, the graphical method. The graphical method actually comes for question comes for 6 marks, right, in our section E. So let's get this part sorted. Let's have one headache gone. Yes, we are prepared for it and we are ready to save these 6 marks and get these marks in the examination. Let me show you with the question help. The question is mentioned as here: maximize z equal to 3x plus 2y. So sometime they can ask you a question on both maxima and minima in the same problem, okay? But in this question they have talked about only maximize. This is not a random question, this is actually a PYQ. You can see that clearly mentioned over here, okay? So maximize z equal to 3x plus 2y, that's my objective function, subject to the constraints given to us, the inequalities. One of them is here, other of them is here, and we all also have these two: x more than 0, y more than 0. What is this called as? Non-negative constraints, right? That represents means my x-axis, my y-axis, and the curve will be, the region will be always in the first quadrant. That's what x more than and y more than 0 means. Now, so first thing is going to be what? The first step would be to taking the constraint, okay, taking the constraint and finding the, basically drawing it on the graph over here. So this slide, this constraint you have taken without the inequality, you have written here x plus 2y equal to 10, and just draw this on the graph. How do you do this? You can take x as something, y as something, or simply do one thing. You can divide everything by 10. You'll end up with x by 10 plus y by 5 equals to 1. Am I right? X by 10 and y by 5 equal to 1. What is this? Intercept form. It means x intercept is 10 and y intercept is 5. One of them is clear. Next, other one, same fashion. Check here. We have 3x plus y equal to 15, right? I've written the same thing without the inequality, okay? I get over here, again divide by 15, I get 3x by 15, which is going to be x by 5, and plus y by 15 equal to 1. So now for the second curve also I have the constraint. Let's start plotting them one by one. The first one, check here, x by 10, x is 10, y is 5. So somewhere like this, x is 10, y is 5, okay? So this point will be what? 0 comma 5, and this point will be what? 10 comma 0. What is this curve? This is the first curve actually. This is the first curve. Let's draw the other one. And what is the inequality in the first curve? It says less than value, means I'll go below this line. My required region, required feasible region based upon the inequality given to us will be below, down, okay? So arrow indicates that. Let me draw the other one. X is 5, y is 15. So somewhere over here we have 0 comma 15, and this will be x is 5 means somewhere over here 5 comma 0. Join the lines. Yes, this is my line, okay, and this is my line number what? Line number 2. And here also we have inequality less than, means again I have to go below this as well. Below this as well. Clearly you can see that we have the feasible region now. We can mark it like that. We can mark it like that. This is my feasible region, sir. All things that I've written here are necessary. Nothing can be skipped, okay? The way I'm drawing the graph, each and one of them. If you want, you can have the other approach, right? X as 0, what is the value of y? So you can find the different ways to know the coordinates of the points, right? Or plotting the line that you've learned in grade 10. I have used the intercept method to get x and y intercept. Your choices of making the other way around, okay? So but you get the clear indication. This is the point origin which has the coordinate 0 comma 0. Okay, so we have 4 coordinate points now. O, let's name it A, let's name it B, this one, and let's name it C. And always mark the feasible region. Always mark the, do not forget to mark the feasible region, okay? Yes sir, feasible region is marked. Important beta. Now after that is done, we have to identify the point which is B. We need to find the coordinate of that. How do you find the coordinate of that? We can find on that side, if it is okay. Check here. Equations I have as x plus 2y, 3x plus y. Which one can I eliminate? I can multiply this with 2, or can I multiply this with 3? I can do that with 3 over here. Let's write it. Multiply this whole thing. Equation number 1, take product with 3. You'll end up with what beta? Check here. You'll have 3x, 6y and 30. Am I right? 3x, 6y and 30. Next one, 3x, y and 15. Write that here. 3x, y and 15. That's the second equation, right? First is 3x, 6y and 30. 3x, y and 15. Second equation is written. Subtract them to solve it. This is cancelled. This will be 5y. This will be 15. So value of y comes out as 3. Value of y is 3. Value of y is 3. If value of y is 3, check here. If you take y as 3, goes over there, it becomes 15 minus 3, which is 12. X will be 4. Excuse me. Yeah. X will be 4. So your coordinate is nothing but x4 and y3. Okay. You have to write the statement, of course. The fourth coordinate point B is 4, 3. We get it by solving the equation 1 and 2 by multiplying equation 1 by, of course, 3. Okay. Now, once we have the coordinate point, then the actual problem starts. Write the coordinate point on one side, and on this side, write the objective function. Okay, this is going to be my z. I'm looking to maximize it, so we'll write that as well. Z is going to be what? 3x plus 2y. Coordinate point number, this is going to be 0, 0. First one, this is point origin. A is what, beta? A is 5, 0. B is what, sir? B is 4, 3. And C is 0, 15. C is 0, 15. Okay, no, 0, 5 actually, sorry. My bad, 0, 5, not 15. 0, 5. Okay, sir. Now find the values of z at these points. 3x plus 2y. So this is 0. 3 into 0, 2 into 0. 3 into 5 is 15 plus 0, so 15. 3 into 4 is 12 plus 2 into 3, so that's 6. Am I right? 12 and 6, that's going to be 18. And the last one, 5 into 2 is 10. Clearly you can see that this is my maximum value. So this represents your value of Z max, which is 18. And where it occurs? At the point, check here, 4, 3. The point B, 4, 3 is the point of maxima. For this entire graph, maxima occurs at this point. If they ask us minima also, the process will not change till this point. Just you can see the minimum value is at origin as 0. Does it make sense or not? Sir, this question was easy. What if the question comes difficult? Will the concept change? Will the way to draw the LPP curve change? Or will the way to find the intersection of the points change? No. Will the way to take the inequality change? No. Then do not underestimate yourself. Okay? The concept will remain same. The process will remain same. If the question is difficult, if they have more inequality, we'll plot one more line. Doesn't matter, right? So any question that comes from here, from this topic, which is worth 6 marks in section E, graphical method of LPP, you will get it done or not? Yes, you will. Let me know, sir, my 6 marks are clear in the comment section. Okay, and if you want me to continue this series, let me know that as well in the comment section. I hope you're enjoying it. The short questions from different topics, I've given many of them already to you. If you want more, let me know that. I'll try my best to bring out more classes for that. Okay, so that's all for this class. I'm gonna see you again. I hope you've seen everything, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna see you again in the next class of Sure Shot. Till then, take care. Bye bye.